Hey guys, samahan niyo naman ako dito sa delivery natin sa Chetwynd, British Columbia. So, before tayo dumiretso ng Chetwynd, nagpalipas tayo ng gabi sa Fort St. John kung saan ko pinagawa yung ICBC safety inspection ng sakyan na dadalhin ko. So, ito yung morning after, right? So, from Fort St. John kasi to get to Chetwynd, you have to drive up this mountainous road. As you can see here, not the best driving conditions in winter time. Dadaan ka pa from Taylor, and then from Taylor, British Columbia, liliko ka right, and then yun na yung susundan mong highway para makapasok ka sa Chetwynd. So this is around like, I believe, 6-7 ng umaga. So very slippery, very uphill. So eto yung signature ng town of Chetwynd, no? Yung kanilang mga wood carving statues. So these are actually carved using chainsaws. Nagsimula itong tradition nilang ito back in 1990, mainly para bigyan lang ng something to commemorate yung town for participating sa pag-build nila ng Alaska Highway. And napagdesisyonan back then in 1990 na they're gonna start doing bear carvings lang muna from one carver lang, right? Pero after nagawa yung bear carvings, nagsimula ng dumami at dumami yung mga wood carvings, not just from one person but other different artists as well, to the point na now the town itself meron na siyang 120 na different wood carvings along the side of the road, katabi ng mga buildings, right? And then nagkakaroon na rin siya ng competition para sa mga wood carvers across the world to come and create yung kanilang artwork. And again, these are done using chainsaws lang. So, napakaganda nilang tingnan in real life. Meron din silang visitor information center, which believe it or not, some small towns don't have. So Chetwynd does have that. Whether or not maabutan mo sila ng bukas is a different story. But usually kasi mga visitor information center, pwede ka mag-washroom, pwede ka magtanong. Anyways, bago ko i-deliver yung sakyan, no, pinaka-wash ko muna siya. And I do have to say na I'm really impressed na yung car wash at Chetwynd, not only is open for negative quality for the bus, but they allow you to wash your car, unlike for example sa Calgary na sinasar yung car wash. And ito yung kliyente natin na si Jay sa kanyang 2021 CRV. And then from there, nagpahatid ako sa Fort St. John Airport. And then from Fort St. John Airport, lumipad tayo puntang Calgary. And then from Calgary, we took the bus back to Edmonton. So it was a full day. Nakauwi tayo 10 o'clock PM, pasado na.